In this video, we'll try to solve this problem. There should be some string. So this is a sample string which is called input. And here we need to separate alphabets, numbers, and special characters. And we have to print those separately. So this is a sample output for that case. Here the alphabets are separated like H, J, K from this string. The numbers are also separated, and also the characters, special characters also separated like this. So let's see how we can create a Java application or Java program which can like separate everything like numbers, alphabets, and special characters. So to solve this problem, the easiest option is we can create 3 different variables for each of them, and then we can separate one by one, and we can append each of the type, right? And here we can use like character at method to find each of the character. I mean, to go one by one character like this way, and to compare this character we can use different functions are there. We can use those things like is letter, is digit, something like that. And if we compare, if we can separate this and this type, then remaining portion will be a special character. So let's see how we can develop this type of program. I'm going to open Eclipse editor, and here I'm going to create a new class, class. Suppose the class name is separate characters. So this is the class name or program name, and then I'm also going to add a main method over here. Then I'm going to press the finish button to create the class. I'm going to remove all the comments from here. Now let's define the string input, and the string input is something like this. So this is the sample string. So as I told you that we need to separate 3 things, right? Letter, digit, and specials. So I'm going to add the 3 string builder over here. String builder. Then for example, first one is letters, and we can initialize empty string builder. Okay, so the same way we have to create another 2 variable. One is for digits and another is for special characters. Okay, so we define 3 like empty object. One is letters, another is digits, and there is specials, and all of them will be string builder. Now we need to go this loop, this letter one by one, and then we have to find whether this is letter or digit or special, and based on that we'll decide we will build this string, basically letter, digit, special. So I'm going to use for loop to go, I mean to visit each of the element like this. So I'm going to use parenthesis and inside it, and this is a for block. I'm going to do like this, empty for block. Now inside it we have to start from counter integer I equal to 0. Then we have to like run the loop based on this, the length of this string. So we can use input I less than input dot length. There is length method which will calculate the length, and then we can also increment the counter I plus plus, and inside it we need to check for each character we need to check whether that is letter, digit, or special. So I'm going to create a temporary variable like character ch. Then we can initialize like this, input dot, this is the input, right? Input dot and character at method. There is a character at method, and it will actually extract each position character one by one. So when I equal to 0, it will choose the first character. When I equal to 1, it will choose the second character, like this way. So we have the character. Now we need to compare the thing. So to compare, we can use like this way. So we have the class character class character dot, and there is upper or is letter is there, is letter is there probably yes, is letter character is there, and here we need to pass this variable, right, ch, and using this thing we can easily compare whether that is a character or not character, basically letter and character are the same. So we need to compare these things, so we can actually assign the whole thing inside a for if block, if, so like this, and if it is true, then we can do one thing, we can append this letter. So we can mention like letter dot append, and what I am to append this character, right, ch, like this. So same way we can also implement the other thing. We can copy this thing and I'm going to paste it, but here instead of if, I'm going to use else if. And here previously we compared is letter, now we need to compare is digit, and now it will compare the digit, and if it is digit, then it will append inside the digits. Okay, now it's done. And the last part, else block. So here we don't need to compare anything because the remaining portion will be the special character, right? So we can directly tell specials dot append and the character. So that's it, the logic is done. Now we need to print this thing. So to print this thing we can use like s or s or system out print line, and here I'm going to type everything means one by one. For alphabets we are planning, our goal is to find out the alphabets, then digits and a special character, right? So we can put like this, PHABET alphabets are, and then we can mention these are the alphabets. So here alphabets we mention letters, we can type letters. Okay, the same way other two print statement we need. So I'm going to copy and paste all everything, and here second one will be digits or number, like this. Numbers are, and here it should be digits, and last one is special characters. And here we need to change the name of the variable as like specials. Okay, now our program is ready to run. So let's check whether it is working properly or not. So I'm going to run this thing by pressing this small arrow, green arrow, and if it is correct, then it will, I mean if the run is successful, then we'll see it is printing the correct output. The alphabet is HJK, so HJK is correct. Numbers are 8, 9, this is also correct, and special characters are this symbol and this symbol. Okay, so that's it. In this way we can easily find out the characters, numbers or special characters from a given string.